Welcome to our channel. Setting up unlimited channel access on Android TV means using official live TV streaming services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for extensive coverage. Step 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV for access to 100+ live channels including news, sports, entertainment, and local networks. Step 2. Try Hulu Plus Live TV, which combines live TV with Hulu's on-demand library for comprehensive entertainment coverage. Step 3. Consider Fubo TV if you prioritize sports. It offers extensive sports channel coverage plus entertainment and news networks. Step 4. Install Sling TV for affordable live TV with customizable packages. Start with orange or blue, then add extras for specific content. Step 5. Download Philo for budget-friendly entertainment and lifestyle channels without sports, keeping costs low. Step 6. Add free services like Pluto TV, which offers 250+ free channels covering news, entertainment, sports, and movies. Step 7. Install network apps like ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox for free access to local channels and primetime shows. Step 8. Use an antenna with a tuner-enabled device for free local broadcast channels in HD. This complements streaming services with major networks. Legal streaming services provide reliable access to hundreds of channels. No unofficial app can match this selection legally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.